Dumbbell motorhomes are luxury motorhomes geared towards providing the comfort of a luxury yacht. Inside and outside, they feature a sophisticated and elegant design. It's 12 meters 39.3 feet long, 2.5 meters 8.2 feet wide, and 4 meters 13 feet high, half that height inside as well. It has a small rear garage and 2 slide-outs, one for the kitchen and one for the bedroom. Inside, it can sleep and feed 4 people in absolute comfort, and it also offers storage and pretty much whatever else you need for a fun extended vacation. The 4 seats in the cockpit in gorgeous and terribly impractical white leather are heated, cooled, and have massage function. The kitchen all packed with Miele appliances including dishwasher, induction cooktop, and oven. Also features a large refrigerator and freezer, hidden evacuation, and generous storage. The model showcased in the video is customized and retails for $1.25 million. Volkner Performance S. German luxury motorhome builder Volkner Mobile drew oohs and ahs from the adoring public at the 2021 Caravan Salon in Dusseldorf, Germany. The company showcased its performance as motorhome that was hiding a Bugatti Chiron between the front and rear axle. However, you get a ton of features for the price. Besides having an underbelly mobile garage, the Volkner Mobile Performance S features an incredibly high-end $355,000 Burmester audio system. It has a master's bedroom, a roomy and spacious shower, and brilliant white upholstery to complete the upscale vibe. The Performances also comes with a full kitchen, an induction stove, a dishwasher, and a refrigerator. The Performance S motorhome at the Caravan Salon costs a stocking $7.7 million, including the Bugatti, with base prices starting at $2.4 million. The Performance S is also one of the world's most expensive motorhomes. STX2 pop-outs and garage. STX2 pop-outs and garage. This vehicle is known for its advanced features and technologies, including efficient engines, aerodynamic designs, and innovative safety systems. It incorporates various driver assistance systems such as active brake assist, lane keeping assist, and adaptive cruise control to enhance safety and efficiency on the road. A vehicle built for the true adventurer, this model offers a spacious and comfortable living space with fully equipped kitchen, a beautiful bathroom, and cozy bedroom. The big advantage of this model is the built-in garage, which offers space for a small car, scooters, motorcycle, or other vehicles. An interior inspired by exclusive yachts and Nordic design, both bright and warm, will give you a feel of coming home. Wherever you may be, between leather and carbon added to the essence of precious woods, beautiful and high-quality materials characterize the living spaces. Hymer Vision Venture. Hymer Vision Venture. The Hymer Vision Venture is a concept motorhome created by Hymer, a well-known manufacturer of recreational vehicles, RVs, and campers. It is built on a Mercedes-Benz Sprinter chassis and features a hybrid all-wheel drive system, allowing for increased off-road capability. Inside, the Vision Venture offers a spacious and luxurious living space. The interior design focuses on natural materials and a cozy atmosphere. It includes a fully equipped kitchen, a dining area, a bathroom with a shower, and a comfortable sleeping area. The layout is optimized to maximize space and provide a comfortable living experience. The Vision Venture also incorporates several innovative features and technologies. It utilizes lightweight construction materials to improve fuel efficiency and reduce the vehicle's environmental impact. The motorhome includes solar panels on the roof to generate renewable energy, as well as a heat recovery system to minimize energy consumption. LAM Ment Palazzo. The Elia Men Palazzo is a luxury motorhome or recreational vehicle (RV) manufactured by the Austrian company Marchi Mobile. It is known for its futuristic and unique design, often described as a lanyard. The LAM Ment Palazzo has gained popularity due to its luxurious features and attention-grabbing appearance. The Palazzo features a sleek and aerodynamic design that resembles a high-end sports car or a luxury yacht. It has a distinctive rounded front end and a long, streamlined body. The Palazzo is available in different lengths ranging from around 12 to 20 meters, 39 to 65 feet. Its spacious interior offers ample living and entertainment areas. The Elm and Palazzo is considered a high-end luxury motorhome, and its price reflects that. The cost of a new Palazzo can range from several $100,000 to over $1 million, depending on the customization and additional features. Thor Vision Vehicle. Thor Industries recently introduced its new concept electric camper van for consumers who love camping in the great outdoors. This electric vehicle is claimed to have the best range in its class, which is as far as 300 miles on a single charge. Built on Thor's exclusive platform, the E-Stream features a high-voltage electric drivetrain which powers the trailer's wheels and thus reduces the tow vehicle's fuel or energy consumption. The electric drivetrain can also remotely park the RV without the tow vehicle. The company claims that its new electric RV is the world's most versatile recreationally D-concept car. Not this electric vehicle is equipped with a smart sound feature that simplifies all activities in the room. The interior can also be said to be quite luxurious. This electric camper van is equipped with a comfortable kitchen bed and small room. But so far it is not known when this electric car will be marketed. RC12 MRC-12 meters by Motorhomes, an astonishing motorhome with a unique party trick. This enchanting motorhome is one of the best pedigree vehicles of its class on the market, boasting clean, uncluttered lines and a coherent design. This is a true example of a luxurious motorhome, blending beauty and power with an interior so vast you will forget you are in a motorhome. The RC12 amp comes with no less than 4 large slide-outs, enabling the lounge, kitchen, and master suite to be simply enormous. This apartment-like space will make you forget you are in a motorhome. A very special feature of the RC12M is the massive garage at the rear, a garage that will hold many things, even your sports car. Truck Surf Hotel. The Truck Surf Hotel is a unique accommodation concept that combines the adventure of surfing with the convenience of a mobile hotel. It is essentially a converted truck that has been transformed into a comfortable hotel on wheels designed specifically for surfers and adventure seekers. The Truck Surf Hotel typically features several bedrooms, a common area, a kitchen, bathrooms, and even a rooftop terrace. The interior is cleverly designed to maximize space and provide a cozy and functional environment for guests. The truck is equipped with all the necessary amenities such as bed, storage spaces, seating areas, and a small kitchenette. What sets the Truck Surf Hotel apart is its mobility. It allows guests to travel to different surf spots and explore various coastal areas without the need to book traditional accommodations or worry about transportation. The truck is driven by experienced guides who know the best surf spots and can take guests to remote and stunning locations. Rioja Bespoke Projects. If you have a fear of flying and want to travel in ultimate luxury, then look no further than the offerings from Rioja Singular Vehicles. Put simply, they make custom RVs outfitted with the latest technology. One of their latest models, the Maverick, Vanilla's MD-12 is basically a transforming two-story apartment on wheels. There's a lounge in the center with a comfy couch and dual large screens. The ground level contains 2 bedrooms that sleep 2 each situated at either end. And a fully stocked kitchen with everything you could ever wish for, from cooking hob and fridge to washing machine, and plenty of storage. Sleeping arrangements in the bedrooms are in bunk beds. The furnishings are lavish. The bedroom separates the lounge from the bathroom, which includes a jacuzzi tub and an enclosed shower that could easily accommodate 3 people. Starliner SL-25. The Starliner SL-25 is that rare exception that makes the rule. It's still very compact and practical, yet incredibly luxurious and well-equipped. The Starliner SL-25 is, if you will, a fancy pocket rocket that offers everything from 2 queen-size beds to a car garage, full automation, and premium features. The Starliner SL-25 RG Executive is actually longer than a standard SL-25 series model, offering 9.2 meters, 31.1 meters of interior length, whereas the standard is 8.3 meters, 27.2 feet. Inside, you get sleeping for 4 people in 2 queen-size beds and seating for the same number of people during transportation, a full bathroom, a full kitchen, a dinette, and a lounge area, and luxury trims and finishes of the kind you're likely to find on a multi-million motorhome, including a glass display cabinet for your crystal ware. Furion Elysium. The Furion Elysium is a luxury recreational vehicle RV concept created by Furion. One of the most notable features of the Elysium is the sky deck located on the roof of the RV. The sky deck is a helipad and entertainment space that offers breathtaking panoramic views. It includes a hot tub, lounge chairs, and a fully equipped bar, providing a luxurious outdoor experience. The Furion Elysium is a massive high-tech RV that resembles a luxury motor coach. It measures around 45 feet in length. Inside the Elysium, you'll find a spacious living area that includes a modern kitchen, comfortable seating, and a dining area, including a refrigerator. The seating area features luxurious leather sofas and a large flat-screen television for entertainment. It features a smart home automation system that allows you to control various aspects of the RV, such as lighting, temperature, and entertainment through a mobile app. SLRV Commander 8x8 2-story. The SLRV Commander 8x8 is a custom-built off-road recreational vehicle RV manufactured by the SLRV Expedition Vehicles Company. It is designed for those who desire a luxurious and capable RV that can tackle challenging terrains while providing ample living space and amenities. The 2-story reference suggests that this particular model features a 2-level interior layout. SLRV vehicles are known for their high-end amenities and luxurious finishes. Depending on the customer's preferences, the Commander 8x8 may include features such as a fully equipped kitchen with modern appliances, comfortable sleeping quarters, a bathroom with a shower, a dining area, entertainment systems, and climate control.